All right, guys. Quick little clip of our boy getting married. We showed up to the wedding day. These are the whips. I'll add this in a vlog, so you'll see this in a vlog. This is William taking some pictures for Tinder. He's getting ready for Tinder.
I need to get married next.
Yeah, we're getting ready for Jay to make his entrance, and then we'll head out. Good dancing, man. Good dancing. Oh wow, lean back. Let's get Jay married. Come on, man. Come on. Yeah. Let's go. Let's join the party. Holy moly, guys. It is really hot today, but we're trying to leave right now for the Gurdwara. Oh man, I am burning up right now. I don't have my vlogging camera, so I'm kind of doing this on my phone, so hopefully the video footage isn't too bad. But we got everybody here, and yeah, man, it's quite crazy. So we're entering the Gurdwara now, and I think we're gonna all go. I don't know what these guys are doing. All right, so we're at the Gurdwara now. We got the GT, SVJ, Huracan, Perf, Urus, R8, GT3, R8, first gen R8. We got S63, Maybach, Rolls Royce, and a Challenger. So we got Elijah now set to attend the wedding as well. Yeah, I don't know why my camera keeps not focusing on this thing. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, not sure what's going on. But yeah, we're making move to the Gurdwara now, Sikh Spiritual Center, and then we'll get it started. And I did the lineup before.
You already did the lineup?
Yeah, we're okay.
But yo, this yours?
Yeah.
When I grew up, I'm always like, you're never gonna return me. But I go there every like once a year.
We're doing the little meeting together. Both sides of the family.
जैसा सतगुर सुनेगा जैसा सतगुर नारे गावो नारे Bye. मीठा लाया बलराम जियो हारे मीठा लाया तेरे दरबार मन जिंदया पल पाया स्वामी नाम बजी बधाई हर का ठाकुर आजर जाया काम हृदय नाम.
We're in the, wedding situation with the vlog. So quick vlog, food is all set up. I made a little video on the inside. I'm not gonna vlog too much because probably gonna be drunk in a bit. So, you ready, man? Yes, sir. All right, perfect. We are headed to a new shop that my friend is opening in Toronto, well, north of Toronto, Caledon side. But I wanted to talk to you guys first and foremost, which we're going to be actually going to the shop for, is our charity event on October 5th. It is benefiting the Brampton Animal Services, and it is happening at John Lee Gateway. I hope that some of you that watch this locally can come out. It's for a great cause. Bring your kids, bring your family. It's gonna be a family-oriented event. We have a couple of nice car collections coming with a bunch of groups of cars that are obviously not part of a collection, but just overall. And I hope to see everyone there. But yeah, we're headed to my friend's new shop, and we're gonna be shooting some content for posting about this. So I wanted to just bring you guys along and make sure you guys are part of the process of building this up. We've been planning this for almost a month and a half, 2 now, and we just want to get this show kind of, done right. So that's the whole plan right now, and that's what we're focused on. We've had issues in Ontario with new laws, implementations, Ontario, Canada, because a lot of the property owners here don't want to give permits or anything for gatherings because there's been a lot of nuisance. So we're trying to avoid that. It's a 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. show, and the whole purpose is to actually help the animal shelter, because in these times today they're in need of donations and some funding so we can save some pets. That is our main cause, and that is our main reason for trying to gather the community up, because it's been a long time since Brampton's actually had anything, and I know Brampton gets this bad rep overall for all sorts of craziness. So we want to do something really nice for the community and help our family members, which are our pets. So definitely, please, if you can show up, just even for donations, $5, $10, $50, anything goes a long way. It'll be going straight to the Brampton Animal Services. They'll have their tent there. They'll have their setup. They'll probably be bringing some puppies and some dogs. So I'm excited to also get them there for that. And we have some other vendors which we'll talk about once we get to the unit. So yeah, guys, come along. Sorry I rambled on there for a little too long. Very beautiful day. It is September, well, end of September, and it feels like summer. So it's been a blessing in disguise, to be honest. So I have a 26 or 25 minute drive from where I am, and yeah, it's gonna drive the Porsche. I'm gonna enjoying the Porsche. Nothing really on this end on the Porsche. I have some other things planned, but they're gonna happen sort of away from some of these videos. So the next couple of videos, this video I'll show you guys just a little bit of the background of the planning. Then we'll get the show video itself of like how the turnout was and everything, and then we'll continue from there with the regular content that I usually post. So yeah, see you guys at the unit. Backing the big boy in, testing the ramps out. We got the epoxy and the truck's fitting in here perfectly. It's got like a detail bay. We're still finishing off detail. There's a lot of things still left to do, but lighting kit. There you go. There we go.
Turn it over to the right. Perfect. Keep going. Keep going.
Fine.
Turn to the right. Keep going. Keep it to the right. Keep it wheel to the right. Yeah. Keep it wheel to the right.
Straight.
I know. Oh, it's good. It's good. Cool. Yeah, you got it. Keep going. You're in the more bike back.